So here we have another quick unboxing video. This is for the Ford Fiesta Mark 6 black Lexus style rear lights. We're going to get these out and have a closer look. These lights are fitted with a total crystal clear outer lens with a matte black background. These lights are fully road legal, they are E-marked and also MOT compliant. They are fully pre-wired. You will need to add some bulbs. These simply just plug straight into the back of the wiring loom on your Fiesta. The lights are held in with one locating lug and a fixing bolt, and also 2 screws as you open the boot lid. Really easy to install, there's no messing about with any wiring.